Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Portfolio Blueprint for generational wealth. Building generational wealth is not only about earning money today. It is about creating a financial system that can support your family now and continue growing for future generations. A dividend portfolio can help by producing steady income, compounding over time, and creating a long-term legacy. First, define your legacy goals. Decide what kind of financial future you want to create for your family. Your goal may be steady income, financial security, education support, retirement planning, or leaving assets for the next generation. Next, assess your financial foundation. Before investing, review your income, expenses, debt, savings, and emergency fund. A strong foundation is important because generational wealth should be built with stability, not unnecessary pressure. After that, choose quality dividend stocks. Focus on companies with stable earnings, strong balance sheets, reliable cash flow, and a history of paying or growing dividends. Instead of chasing only high dividend yield, look for businesses that can survive different market conditions. Then, diversify your portfolio for long-term stability. A strong dividend portfolio may include sectors such as financials, healthcare, consumer staples, industrials, technology, utilities, energy, and real estate investment trusts. This helps reduce risk because your family wealth is not dependent on only one company or one sector. In addition, invest consistently. Regular contributions and dividend reinvestment can help your portfolio grow faster through compounding. Over time, small investments can become meaningful wealth when combined with patience and discipline. Moreover, monitor and rebalance your portfolio regularly. Review dividend safety, company performance, sector allocation, and portfolio growth. If one area becomes too large or risky, rebalancing can help protect your long-term plan. For example, if an investor starts with $10,000, contributes $5,000 every year, and earns an average dividend yield, the portfolio can grow significantly over 10, 20, or 30 years. As the portfolio grows, annual dividend income may also increase, creating more cash flow for the family. Furthermore, the key principles are simple but powerful. Focus on quality, think long-term, reinvest for compounding, diversify globally when appropriate, and protect capital first. These habits can turn a dividend portfolio into a reliable wealth-building tool. Finally, planning your legacy is also important. Estate planning, tax planning, and clear financial organization can help your family receive and manage wealth more efficiently. The goal is not only to build wealth, but to pass it on wisely. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before investing. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.